Hi guys, this is Marcela. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to do 2 cute hairstyles.
Today we're going to be showing you 2 cute and easy options for back to school.
For the first option, we're going to split the hair in half on top. Now I'm going to do another division to the ear. And we're going to do one more in here. Now we have this section of hair and we're going to hold it into a ponytail with an elastic. I'm going to do another division on this side and hold this section with an elastic as well. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. This is the first little ponytail. And this is the last one. Perfect. With the remaining hair, we're going to comb it very well and hold it into a low ponytail. For this hairstyle, I'm using red elastic bands. You can use your favorite color. Next, we're going to go back to the ponytails and we're going to do a regular braid with each one of them and hold them with an elastic at the end. Okay guys, when we are ready, we're going to hold the 2 middle braids just in here using an elastic. Now we're going to bring each one of them to the sides, and now I'm going to hold these 2 braids on the right side with an elastic. And we're going to do the same thing on the left side. Next, we're going to bring back the middle braids, hold them with an elastic, and again hold the braids on each one of the sides. One more time, we're going to hold the middle braids with an elastic in here, and then we're going to join all of the braids to the ponytail. Now we can take off these elastics, and to finish I'm going to do a bow using a piece of ribbon. For the second option, we're going to grab a bunch of hair from the top of the head and hold it into a ponytail. And hold it with an elastic. Now we're going to put another elastic 4 fingers down below the first one. And in here I'm going to split the hair in half, make a loop, and we're going to pass the remaining hair to the other side. In here I'm going to pull the sides a little bit to add some more volume. Now grab hair from each one of the sides and hold the hair with an elastic. One more time, leave 4 fingers and put another elastic down below. Make a loop, pass the hair to the other side, and pull it a little bit to create more volume. In here we can bring the remaining hair and hold everything together. We're going to keep doing the same thing until we reach the end of the hair. And this is our final result. So pretty.
We hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and make sure you comment down below which hairstyle was your favourite. We'll see you next time. Bye!